How we doing, guys? How we doing? Welcome back to another amazing live stream. So yeah, today I'm gonna do some little tweaks to my server. So yeah, my plan is I'm gonna have like a hunting job board, like right here. Let me take this, be right back. Let me open up the chat. But yeah, right here I'm gonna have a job board for the main. So let me go like this.
Flip my ship and smash it. I'm glitching a distant package. I'm snapping and cracking. I'm a fiend for the vibes. Look at me in my eyes. I'ma make them bob their head until they leave with no spine. I'ma drop shit till I'm dead. Got no need for the lies. I'ma pop shit, get this bread till we do it.
Now what is this called again, bro? It's not this, is it? No, it's not that. What the fuck, man? Do they not have this anymore? A second, bro. Bro, I swear I had it. I guess I don't. So that is out the... I could use this here. And I just need to find places to put this down. Sorry about that there. Yeah.
Crank it up.
That's good enough. Yeah, change that to Crane Bench 101. Go like this to line that. Yeah, it's annoying because I've got houses there, so I can't do that. I'm trying to think if there's like somewhere put a bench down. Yeah, I feel like this would be a good spot right here. Yeah, right here. So yeah, go like this, and go like that, and go paste. In too deep, you know, in too deep.
Oh, I'm in too deep and I know that it's gon' catch up to me and turn on back. Cause I'm in too deep and I know that it's gon' end tragically and turn on back. Oh, I'm in too deep and I'm in too deep, deep, in too deep and I'm in too deep. Oh, I'm in too deep and I'm in too deep, deep, in too deep and I'm in too deep. One in the bay, the wanna be paid. One in the hills, the all in the fields. One in the south side, she ready to ride, ready to kill. One in Vespucci, ain't what I do usually, but she got no chill. One in Del Perro, gotta be careful, cause you love popping them pills. Temptation around me, all of these options, they can't go to waste. True Master Sandy, but I still gotta make a stop on 68. If karma would catch me, damn, that's one hell of a price I'ma pay. Know that it's bound to blow up in my face, so I'm in too deep and I know that it's gon' catch up to me and turn
Okay, so save this.
too deep and I know that it's gon' end tragically and turn on back. I'm in too deep and I know that
Save this.
it's gon' catch up to me and turn on back. Cause I'm in too
And
deep
then
and I know
manifest generator.
it's gon' end tragically and turn on back. Oh, I'm in too
And change this to manifest. Crime 101. And then I wanna upload this. Too deep. Upload all of them. And the server restarts in 30 minutes. I might as well restart just now. And then that gives me time to then get the chords in game, if not get done that beforehand, and then set up these benches. I already have an idea what's going to be in them. So like, obviously, you're going to be able to make joints in them. You're also going to be able to make body armor. Let me see, I got a list here. So, backpacks, grinders, joints, a weapon crafting table, so you can make a weapon crafting table from there. Body armor, lockpicks, wire pliers, and armor plates. You know, it's gonna be pretty neat, pretty neat. And then, I have another place in Mount Chiliad. I need to get weapon skins and stuff working, and then I can make a weapon skin bench up there, so you can get weapon skins and put them on your guns. Yeah, let me see, because I'm pretty sure. Where is Hunting? Single? No. So annoying, bro. I swear I have it, bro. Like I've got a job board, a hunting job board. It was pretty much just a wooden board with some papers on it. Not that hard. Yeah. Crafted.
Fume, yeah, fumigating, clear the room, yeah, the heavy fumes, undebated, we making it to the moon, yeah. Dipping, dashing, I'm blowing up through the ceiling, tripping, crashing, I'm smoking up something green, flip it and make a rack, and we splitting right up off the scene, flip my ship and smashing, I'm glitching a distant package, I'm snapping and cracking, I'm a fiend for the vibes, look at me in my eyes, I'ma make them bob their head until they leave with no spine, I'ma drop shit till I'm dead, got no need for the lies, I'ma pop shit, get this bread till we do it.
Give me one sec, guys. I'm just working it on with these ingredients. Alright, let me show you guys what I am doing right now. Bam, bam, bam. Probably actually would have been easier just getting these from Codewalker instead of fucking going to them in game, but you know, it is what it is. I may as well make sure they're actually working. Yes, they are, my friend. Yes, they are. See, but that's vector free. Okay, bam. And bam. Bro, let me fucking change this. Bro, what the fuck is that shit? Alright, I'll fix the music in a second, bro. Bang, okay. So, and just like that, whenever I restart my game, what should happen is I should be able to see the benches. So let me go like this, restart server, bang. Load 5M again, load back in. Ugh! The most annoying process of having this shit in your inventory, you gotta restart your fucking game every time you fucking do anything to it. Alright, let me fix this music.
Nothing new. You're just a man and I'm just a girl. And I loved you, but you left the whole world.
Is this just like not working? Do I need to refresh? No, it's just sound, okay. What the fuck, man?
You know what I'm saying. No games I ain't playing. My dues that I'm paying. I'm trying to make it to the top. Can't be wasting any more time. You be playing with my feelings, don't need no lies. Said you're trying to make it work, show me what you're really worth. Yeah, I came from nothing, now I'm doing something. I'm just getting it back, don't need nobody else. They just wasting my time, show them I'm killing it. If you like me or not, you'll be seeing his face. When I walk down the street, you'll be knowing who I am. No need L's, only W's, yeah, you know what I'm saying. I'm stacking all my money so high, you know what I'm saying. Baddie, yeah, she on me, she like bang, you know what I'm saying. Haters turn to fans when you make it, you know what I'm saying. No need L's, only W's, yeah, you know what I'm saying. I'm stacking all my money so high, you know what I'm saying. Baddie, yeah, she on me, she like bang, you know what I'm saying. Haters turn to fans when you make it, you know what I'm saying.
We were just getting into some serious vibes with Kuya Pare, but it's time to switch gears a little bit. Let's get things moving with some high-energy pop from Navai. This is Ticket Punch.
Shut the fuck up, I'm done with this shit. What game are you trying to play?
Now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have an error because some items don't exist.
Making my own way. This is a one-time ticket punch. I'm on my own train. Shut the fuck up. I'm done with this shit. What game are you trying to play? I want you to understand that you and I will never be the same.
Yeah, okay,
I'm
yeah.
in my own lane.
Chromium bar does not exist. Aluminum doesn't exist.
Ticket punch. I'm on my own train.
Aluminum doesn't exist?
I don't even know your name. I know I just started out, but I am not doing it for the fame. I'm in it for the pain that I go through every day. Just letting you know that you're not alone and you're
Yeah,
gonna
quite a
be
lot
okay.
doesn't exist, okay.
See this world, it tears you down from limb to limb. Water gets so high that I know the tide is closing in. You said that you'd always be there for me, be my fucking friend, but I'll be damned if I listen to those lies again. Shut the fuck up, I'm done with this shit. What game are you trying to play? I want you to understand that you and I will never be the same. I'm in my own lane, making my own way. This is a one-time ticket punch, I'm on my own train. Shut the fuck up, I'm done with this shit. What game are you trying to play? I want you to understand that you and I will never be the same. I'm in my own lane, making my own way. This is a one-time ticket punch, I'm on my own train. Talking about sex, you're swimming in debt, can't handle the checks that you write. Get you some money that isn't so dirty and you could afford the flight. Until then, just sit real tight. My homegirl is mean and will bite. Don't step on my shoes or we will be through and it'll end up in a fight. Shut the fuck up, I'm done with this shit. What game are you trying to play? I want you to understand that you and I will never be the same. I'm in my own lane, making my own way. This is a one-time ticket punch, I'm on my own train. Shut the fuck up, I'm done with this shit. What game are you trying to play? I want you to understand that you and I will never be the same. I'm in my own lane, making my own way. This is a one-time ticket punch, I'm on my own train. I'm on my own train. I'm on my own train.
Losing my mind over nothing. I'm not a time to get me something. I say I'm fine, but don't ask me why. You know I lie 'cause I love to hide. A million different reasons to hide the truth from you. Covered in cuts and bruises from all the mistakes that I choose. Now I strip to the bone how I feel. I don't know, broken heart, words of stone. System fell on the man, losing you, my best friend. Now I am all alone in my own back of my head again. I play pretend. You ask me truth or dare. Tell me the truth or leave me so blue, crying here in despair. Tell me the truth, I know you don't care. The look in your eyes, the truth was so clear. Never again do I want to feel. Never again will I have to heal. A million different reasons to hide the truth from you. Covered in cuts and bruises from all the mistakes that I choose. Now I strip to the bone how I feel. I don't know, broken heart, words of stone. System fell on the man, losing you were my best friend. Now I am all alone in my own home. Now I strip to the bone how I feel. I don't know, broken heart, words of stone. System fell on the man, losing you were my best friend. Now I am all alone in my own home. In my own home.
Okay.
Oh.
I need to make gauze as well. Oh, that. Oh, that.
the one who saved me, yeah, you healed my broken heart. I thought I was done with love until you made me start catching all of these feelings that I thought was dead. I can't believe I almost jumped off of that ledge. Now I can't see myself anywhere but by your side. Where we are apart too long, I feel a chill up my spine. I knew the first day that I met you, you was gonna be mine. And now we'll be together till the day we die. Day we die, till the day we die, day we die. Yeah, at the crib, you should already know what's up. Gone and break out all that good stuff. I don't care if you're around when things get tough. Yeah, I'll still be right here for your drunken love.
Wish I could get something doing that as an item.
You should already know what's up. Gone and break out all that good stuff. I don't care if you're around when things get tough. I'll still be right here for your drunken love. Yeah, you got me hooked, don't know what it is. You got me shook, don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm the type of girl that needs all that special shit. Your time and love and attention is enough and that's it. Just tell me, baby, whatever it is you wanna do, as long as I get to spend my time with you. At the crib, you should already know what's up. Gone and break out all that good stuff. I don't care if you're around when things get tough. I'll still be right here for your drunken love. Yeah, at the crib, you should already know what's up. Gone and break out all that good stuff. I don't care if you're around when things get tough. I'll still be right here for your drunken love. Day we die, till the
Realities
day we
will
die,
have
we die.
items in them, just need to create them. So give me a sec. I gotta make a chromium bar.
That was some seriously soulful heartbreak from Navai. Now let's switch gears and get ready to unleash our inner beast with Liz Anya's ferocious track Fangs. Hold on tight, things are about to get wild.
You look so damn cute when I can see the fear in your eyes. I can feel it rushing through your veins. It's too much now. And every second you take, it's getting deeper. And every moment away, I feel the
Bang. Let's save that as well. Restart again. Oh shit, one sec, I forgot. One sec. Back hook. Apparently chromium bar does not exist, but I made it, bro. I literally just fucking made it, bro. That's right, wrong spelling. Oh my god. For some reason, that's why I spelled it wrong. And that tattoo here for some reason, out of place, it says good, okay, body armor. Enemy lever tier 1 and tier 2. Never. Okay. Go back up to the top. Okay, one more item. Okay. Now restart one last time. Okay, perfect.
Boy, I'm looking for a miracle. I
Ooh.
wanna taste of what you got me.
How we doing? How we doing?
Oh.
How we doing?
You hear me? Alright.
Yeah, I hear you.
Good, how are you?
I'm alright, I'm alright. I'm just setting up crime benches just now.
What are you working on? Crime benches?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I just got back online. They're working on anything at the moment. I was just ran out the hunting. Yeah, I can work on the target for the salvage and stuff. I just realized I technically have another version of the salvage that has like the PRP groups and stuff.
I'm streaming.
So I can send that over.
Okay, okay.
I actually thought this version would be easier because it doesn't have like a bunch of my shit in it.
Well, if you could see the server shit I sent you, if you could just add the group shit to there. Because that's already all set up already, like with the phone and stuff.
Oh, yeah, okay.
As you see as well, I use the PRP bridge for the sending the notifications because it's much easier. So that means I can just have everything that I use go through the PRP bridge to send notifications.
Yeah, makes sense. What is that, like Oxlib notifications?
No. So see the PRP notifications?
Phone notifications.
Yeah, yeah.
I see. Why does the PRP bridge provide that? Because they don't sell their phone. It makes no sense.
What do you mean?
Like, why does the
Like-
PRP bridge have anything to do with sending phone notifications? They don't provide their
So
phone.
in the jobs, all the jobs have phone notifications.
You know, but
So I use the LB.
oh,
phone
right, they
bridge.
use LB phone and stuff. I see.
Yeah,
I get you.
One thing I want to figure out with my weather is how I can set up, you know, in Prodigy, right? See Sandy Shores? In Sandy Shores, when you were in Sandy Shores, it was like super wavy. Like they had like obviously like increased the wind in the area.
Ah, yeah.
I want to try and figure out how to do that. Because they had like a similar thing with Kale Pico. When you went over Kale Pico, it would trigger the weather to like stormy. So like on your way there, it'd be dead stormy. But then whenever you get into Kale Pico, it would be super sunny. You know, always sunny.
Yeah. Well, Fuck you and your graphics. My shit doesn't even spawn peds with cars. No,
What, even with Core FX?
I haven't even used Core FX.
Try it. Because it does look very
Yeah,
similar,
I just...
think.
It's very, very similar, except for it seems to have a lot more kind of like bloom on like the backlights of cars and shit, which I don't like.
Hmm.
Like, it's the one thing I don't like about it. Otherwise, it looks very, very similar to me. But
One thing
yeah, there's
I
like...
don't like is I need to figure out how to get the weather working correctly, because like see on the NVE test server, when I go on there and I look at the weather clear at time 12, there's no fog in the air, but for some reason on my server there's fog in the air.
That's weird. Any chance it's to do with your your weather app? Like, because you have your own custom like renewed weather or whatever, right?
No, because all what that does is it gets from renewed weather the weather.
Right. But what I mean is, like, is there anything in renewed weather that has something to do with like fog showing?
I don't know, but I might see if there's like a Discord for the NVE and see. I don't know.
Yeah,
Like
it's
the
worth it.
installation doesn't really explain anything. It's just like, oh yeah, put this in here and restart your server.
Oh yeah. Right, so otherwise, with the salvaging, did you change anything else, or was it like, obviously there needs to be more spots or something added for picking up the
So
like
as
the
you see,
box and shit?
my client, I had to take out all the group stuff, and then obviously I had to
Yeah, yep.
change how the notifications work, and then I also had to change
Yep.
how the inventory works because your inventory is retarded.
Yeah. Is there anything else? Like, did you change any logic otherwise? Like with to do with the actual job, or like locations for like picking up the box or anything like that? Because I'm gonna
I
convert
don't
it.
know, because I never got to that point of it.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Because I remember, like I said, I could only see 2 locations to salvage because there was only 2 cars working. It was only 2 hashes. It was
Yeah,
only
strange,
one
okay.
hash it was getting from the config for some reason.
Yeah, strange. Yeah, I mean, there is a few cars that don't work. I need to look into that, but like the majority of them work. I'm doing it now, and there's a couple that don't, but I'm about to get 15 out of 15 now. It's just making sure that it still actually works.
Yeah.
So return to the yard manager. So back to the bro. Get delivery package. It gives me a package parts. And I drive to the dude. And I deliver the package. Finish the job. So what? In Prodigy, he just gave you money or something, right?
What?
The package parts at the end of it, he just gave you money, right? Like he just gave you cash
after
for
you
it, yeah.
deliver the box, yeah.
Yeah, and then you just keep all the materials you grabbed.
Also, you check that, it's my crane bench. The duplicate aluminum bar, the one next to aluminum bar should be another aluminum bar, but it's just different spelling. And then the one at the very bottom that you can't see is handcuffs, but I still need to add items, so it's like an empty slot right now.
Sick.
And then I need
Looking
to
good.
change the aluminum picture because for some reason it's showing aluminum ore.
Yeah, I noticed that. It's
yeah.
fine. Easy swap over.
And then I also... Okay, no, aluminum ore is in there, okay. Or is it? I don't know. Bar. So I can take that one out.
Weird. Sometimes my mic is like permanently hot micing in game. I don't know why. It's like I have
Are you using Mahad?
no, I'm using my
Cause that happens with Mahad as well. I don't know why.
it's really weird. Well, like my guy's clearly speaking. I can see his mouth moving and stuff. I don't actually know how to fix it.
Now, for some reason as well, I don't have chromium ore as an item.
What?
Some crane stuff. Bang. Okay. So. See, what do I need images for? Low quality lever. I need those images. Metal pliers. I need that image. And a grinder. I need the image of a grinder. And I'll let electronic parts. Okay.
Thinking of making it so that I don't know. I need to assess like how you start jobs and stuff. So currently with the salvage guy, you need to start the job on your phone. It's one of the jobs that you actually start instead of doing show blip. But then I feel like I should make it so that you can talk to him to start the job as well, rather than having to start the job on the phone.
That's how I changed that as well in the thing.
Yeah, because like I know for a fact in Prodigy you had to start the job on the phone and then talk to him. But like if you happen to find him, it would be good for you to be able to interact with him to see what happens. You know.
Yeah.
So it's good to know that you changed that as well. But I was just thinking about it. I'm like, there's currently no target on him, and it's weird. But I know that Prodigy had it like that because I was watching a video of Prodigy salvaging when I made this. Oh yeah, I will fix yours as well, by the way. Well, I'll fix it. I'll add the groups. Do you just want it to be like you want it to have a queue at all, or you're not too worried? You just want it to be basically group based, and
Just group based, yeah.
yeah, because I technically have like it queued and stuff. Like all my
What, like
jobs
you
are
need to
technically
wait
queued.
until someone's finished?
Not specifically. It depends on the job, but like all the main jobs, you can have 50 groups at a time, which will never really be done. But like, so technically, the lowest
Yeah,
amount of people that can be doing it at once is 50.
Yeah, I don't think we need that.
Yeah, but it's more just to keep every job like the same. So it's like, for example, the house robberies, you can only have. I can't remember. I think I set up 2 groups or 3 groups for now to be able to do house robberies at once. So then, as soon as one goes out of queue, then like, yeah, based on the weighted PRP system, the next group goes in. And same thing for like shop robberies and house robbery. Yeah, just everything like that is all based on groups, based on a queue system.
Mm.
Just means that like, you might have to wait 5 minutes for a house job if there's heaps of people doing house robberies.
Yeah, I don't think you need to have that in there.
Yeah, I won't.
Oh my god, I need a grinder image for. Oh wait, I may actually have one already. Just need to change the name of it.
Something I think is interesting too is like, should you make it so that, let's just say, for example, you're doing the salvage job and you get the packaged parts, right?
Yeah.
What if the server goes down? Then you have packaged parts that you can't do anything with. So do you make it so that you get paid based on how many packaged parts are on you? So you can technically take him 2 or 3 in the future? Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I was just thinking about it. It's like, imagine if the server went down, you're just about to hand it in.
An easy way to set it up would be if you made PRP bridge sell shop. Because then it would work for me as well.
Sell shop, like as in you talk to him and you sell it rather than just talking to him.
Yeah.
Well, talking to him should work for you as well, right? You're just talking to him and he takes it away. Like the inventory, my inventory doesn't have a different function for that. So it'll be the same.
You haven't set up the PRP bridge for your inventory yet?
No, I don't like the sell shop.
Yeah.
My sell shop, you can like, you have heaps of space to put shit in and you can see like how much shit's gonna cost. Oh, how much shit you're gonna get. So if you like put in 10 fish, for example, you see exactly how much each fish is and how much you're gonna get total, rather than just being paid like per. I just prefer it. I'm pretty sure that that's how Prodigy actually does it. They only did it that way because it works with Ox inventory like default, without any customizations.
Yeah.
99% sure on Prodigy they use like a sell button on the inventory. Instantly getting monies.
Okay. I now need to make these images work in my inventory.
We were just holding on to some serious grudges there with PAR5, but it's time to let go and dance. DJ Mateo is about to set us free.
Okay. Now time to upload these images. Let me make sure. I need metal pliers as well.
That was looking good, man. There's a lot of organizing, all the crimes thing and stuff. The crime bench, organizing all the crafting, making sure it's like the hardest part's the materials, making sure that it's going to be take the right amount of time and stuff to actually craft things.
Yeah. By the way, do you have a metal
what I mean?
pliers image?
I do not. Oh, I have the one that they Prodigy used to use for like getting the radio out of cars.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Sick.
And then I also need to fix the aluminum image.
I need to fix my bulletproof vest image. For some reason it was good, and then now it looks like a car fucking headlight. Weird. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, see, for some reason, there's an item, I think it's to do with, like, whatever my script is for, like, putting stuff in trunks or stuff, but, like, for some reason, garbage, the image for garbage just, like, keeps changing to, like, random images. So, like, sometimes it's an image of panties, and then sometimes it's an image of, sometimes it's an image of, one sec. Sometimes it's an image of like a rotten like fruit, or like it just like randomly just changes the image just to something random.
That's so weird.
Okay. And now when I restart the server, what should happen is I should have all those images in.
You should just be able to restart Ox inventory.
You'd think I'd be able to do that, but a lot of my scripts have it as a dependency, so.
Oh yeah, true, same.
And then I also can't restart it whenever I'm in game either, otherwise the crafted tables won't show up.
Oh yeah.
And I'm sure whenever I'm adding images and stuff, I do need to like actually like restart my game. Anyway, so not too bad. And then I also need to make like a meat processing bench.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, I'll look at hunting very soon. Start working on that after I quickly finish my salvage, do your salvage, then I'm get that finished up for us. First, I'm quickly confirming I salvage all these cars. Sure this works properly. I also need to think about perks and stuff for salvaging. Like XP for the skill tree, all that shit. So I need to.
It's really annoying that we can't use that link anymore to see all the inventory images.
Yeah, I've guessed quite a few since, and then I used the little script that I had to like help find a few that I needed, but it's kind of aids and not super accurate.
Can you try and find?
I don't have the script anymore. I deleted it. So it was like pretty annoying. I had to basically create a.
I need an image for recycled goods.
Yeah, I'll have a look manually myself, trying a few words, but yeah, I deleted it because I had to like come up with all the words that I think could have been used into it, sort of thing.
Yeah.
And then like making the list was kind of annoying. And then even using AI to come up with the list wasn't ideal. Oh. Do you use PNG or WebP?
PNG. Thank you.
I need to make an overall script that's just like a development helper, which like helps you find the entity IDs of like objects in front of you and like just heaps of shit like that.
That's the one thing I miss about QB Core. Their admin menu done that for me.
Oh really?
Yeah, it had like this little like pointer tool that you could like enable and disable, and then whatever you're looking at, it would tell you the like chords of what you're looking at. So you could copy a vector 2 or a vector 3 at that chords where you're looking at, or like you could copy the info and it would tell you that like prop name, prop hash, whatever.
That's right. You just reminded me. Technically, I actually do have that in my admin menu. In my 919 admin menu, it does have an entity inspector, and that just saved me a lot of work. I love it. You're a genius. I wouldn't have checked otherwise. Now, technically, okay, let me finish this just to make sure this works. Then I'll add the hashes. Doing it for you is going to be somewhat annoying because I'm going to have to remember to add the hashes from mine now to yours. Remind me if I forget. So I'll fix the group thing for you, but I might forget the hashes. If I do, just let me know and I'll send them to you. My memory's not great.
Okay.
So fix targets for salvage cars. Add icon to target. Options.
Now I cannot remember if this is the image or not for processed meat. I need to go back and check. But I think this is the image for processed meat. But I'm not too sure if you get that off any animal or not.
Take a look. So, just going through all these hashes. Sure, we have all the cars. 107, 107. Actually, mildly painful process, I must say. 915. 30. 407. Three, 9, 7, and 915. Pretty sure I've got that. Okay. We're making progress. We're making progress. 899. That one. Make sure I have all those. 473. 559. Got that. 7. 9. 5. Okay.
There we go.
I got them all done.
These are my crane benches now. One sec. Sending you an image. I still need to add the joints to these. I just need to add the items for the joints. Well, actually, I might actually have them in. One sec. No, okay.
Yeah. What's the difference between the leathers?
You can make different backpacks, different backpack grids.
Oh, yeah,
So
interesting.
you need high quality for you need medium quality for large backpack and low quality for the medium.
Oh, yeah. I see.
But yeah, I also have a gym recycling center for also getting materials. So you've got that, you've got the scrapping, and then you've got trash that gives you a bunch of random shit that need to add some of these new items to. And then you've got cars that give you some items too.
Cars as in shopping, or?
No, like the glove box and trucks.
Ah, gotcha.
And then as well, all the most of the mailboxes are all like you can open them up and like get stuff out there. You can also steal stuff from cars, yeah. Store
Heaps of ways.
robberies. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to assess the ways that people can get it. I had like the first half you mentioned I have, but then the second half I don't. That's all added. Now I need to work on the actual adding the targets to the entity. The problem is like technically I'm adding the target, as you say, like I'm adding the target
Also,
to the entity. So I don't know why it's like you reckon it needs to be further, right?
further for what?
The car target.
Oh no!
You know how
It
you
was
were saying
because
it?
it was because the hash. I thought it was I had to be looking at a
Oh,
weird
I
spot,
gotcha.
but it was a hash. Yeah.
Yeah, because I had it a lot further away, and it was like sometimes you'd end up accidentally salvaging a car that wasn't the one you were looking.
Also, why did you make the store robberies need to be in a group?
Because that's how Prodigy has it.
No, it's not. Not the store robbers.
Well, that's what I just watched a video the other day of someone having to be in a group.
No, not usually for store robberies.
Yeah, I can try and find the glove. It literally even said they couldn't even start the hack because they didn't have enough people to do it. I think I've got it set to like 2 people or something, so you can't just go do a store robbery on your own.
Yeah.
So I was just basing off of that, and it made sense to me as well, just so that someone can't just go around and do store robberies on their own all the time. I feel like it'd be a better activity to do as a two-man.
But you also have it
Trying to-
blacklisted for PD.
Yeah, have a blacklist. Yeah. I mean, it should be the case, no?
Yeah, okay, yeah, it was for some reason. Yeah, it was just blacklisted for the PD. I thought
Yeah,
it wasn't
that's a
working
good idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, right, yeah. I feel like your PD shouldn't be robbing stores. What was I doing? Okay, yeah, so the entities should be sorted now. Every single one I go to should be fine. It's more annoying than I wanted it to be. Okay, you work. The entity for some reason doesn't work no matter what I do. Oh, no, it does now. So weird.
By the way, I love the no pixel construction site.
I don't think I know their construction site.
It like replaces like the whole entire industrial area with a construction site.
So that's pretty cool. Alright, okay, that's sorted. So
I don't know if
that,
it's
and
more. I don't know. Well, actually, I'm getting like 80 FPS, so I don't know. I don't know if it's more optimized than having it or without it, but I like it. It's like different, you know.
yeah. What can an icon be for salvage?
Oh yeah, I need to also set up all the crafting for all the goddamn restaurants. And then I also need to make all the food edible. Oh no. No. Guess what? My subscription for Script Forge ran out. The casinos are gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, that's like the one script I'd fucking decrypt. That one's well worth decrypting.
Oh, by the way, I've got a weird thing with the NVE. I don't know if I need to like do something with like some of my maps, but like some of the buildings, I'm gonna send you a picture of this, but like when I go inside the Moor Club, you know the Moor Club?
Yep.
When I go inside there, for some reason, it turns my camera into tunnel vision. I know it's what do you call it? It's what do you call it? It's one of those time of day cycles, whatever it's called, TOD, whatever cycle.
Time cycle?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I
for some
see.
reason, like and
That's
it's
pretty
only happened
weird.
since I put in NVE.
That's very weird. What the hell?
And then there's another building that for some reason
That's gonna be fun to fix.
there's another building that's by prompt, and it's like their lifeguard place, and for some reason, whenever you're inside the like main office, the like lights go super dim. It's like very weird.
It's very strange. What the hell? That sounds like it's gonna be super annoying to resolve.
The like one with a lifeguard isn't that bad, but like it puts on like a vignette. And if I go into the other room, you can see it's normal. It's like super bright.
How are you gonna fix that?
Don't know. But like, it's for some reason like only those two places that are doing it so far. I've not had any other issues. Like, my house is fine. That's something I've got better than Prodigy. I could technically sell my Sandy housing. I still need to earn them in the collisions all work.
Yeah, it's so bright and so dim. Fuck.
That's
Well, Sandy house
another
is
thing that that's another thing that really annoys me is the it's so bright for some reason. You know, the NVE.
Yeah, I kind of like the brightness, but we hard. I guess I have to see it when I actually get it on my server at some point. Because yeah, one thing I didn't like about that Core FX or whatever was how blurry the like back of car lights are at night. It's blurry.
Yeah, I'm able to walk into this house for some reason. And this one.
Alright, what am I doing with your labor? Server. Download. I don't think I need to find for any reason, do I? Alright.
Another one of my Sandy housing. Oh yeah, I need to take out my old fishing as well. I keep forgetting. I've still got
What
my
else did
old
I need to
fishing out.
do, sorry, with the salvage for you? So the group system, is that it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and give you the
Hashes.
new hashes, which I will do
And also
right now, so I don't
fix whatever my issue is. We've only be able to like get one hash from the config. Because there was only two
I mean, that
cards
should
I could actually salvage.
Yeah, which is really strange, but try the new vehicle hashes and go from there. There's nothing that I changed. In fact, yeah, nah, try that. No.
Remember, I did like convert the whole thing so that never use your skills and never used your
Yeah, true.
inventory.
Yeah, I'll have a look. Let's try it. Client download. Looks accurate. Gets the config hashes. Or maybe the radius is probably too small. That ChatGPT gave it, or whatever AI used, only gave it 80, which I think is relatively small. I've changed that to 200. I'm not touching anything else in your client, so if you just go here to your client and just change it, it was like this. Change it to like this for now. Just like a cheat thing, basically.
Okay. Like, see, the thing is, it was detecting like all the other ones, you know, like them like all the way back in the like end of the yard, you know.
I was? Okay. Well, it mustn't be that then. I mean, try the new hashes with that new server and let me know.
So I'm gonna try this now. Oh wait, let me see. Yeah, okay, yeah. Wait, let me first of all make sure this is. Yeah, okay, yeah. It looks like it was a hashies, I think.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. Well, that's good.
So it looked like you only had one hash that worked before for me.
Yeah, which is strange. That's super weird. Could be the case. I don't actually remember how I got the hashes, so... But anyway, that 919 admin menu saved my ass just then. It made it... It still took 5 minutes, but it's not very long.
Well, also, you need to make it work with PRP groups as well, for me.
I did. That's the new server that I gave you.
Oh, okay, let me try.
I can't confirm it works until you try, basically.
Okay. Save that, and then let me restart. It's annoying because I was already in a group, so one sec. Disband group. Yes. Okay, yeah, that works. I don't know if it works in sync, but I guess we can test that at some point.
Yeah, we can test that at some point. I'll jump on your server a little later if you like.
Yeah.
I mean, it will work.
I am about to
I
run
actually,
to
something
the
I didn't add to
store,
yours. Oh, yeah, sweet. All good. I need to add it to
This is
mine
what-
too, is like, there's currently not a
Default store.
check for if you leave the group.
Oh.
Technically, there's a weird thing that can happen, but it's like, you're kind of just fucking yourself if you leave the group, because it does mess up the whole... You can't actually do anything. But I'm just going to make it so it actually closes, like, it closes everything down if you leave the group. Like, including removes your notifications and all that shit. Well, technically it kind of does already, but
I like how like
yeah, I can try.
most of the cars that actually look like they don't have any engine parts, you've made it so that they're not, the hashes aren't in there. There's like one car that had like no wheels, no engine in it.
Oh, really? I just did everything I could see. What one is it? If you show me, I can remove it.
Let me see.
I just did anything that's like on the ground.
Oh no. Okay, you did do it. It's just weird because sometimes I see search because I need to take it out of the gym shit. The gym
Okay.
recycle from searching cars.
Okay.
Because right now you can search cars and like get like rubber and stuff off them.
Oh yeah. What's that through? Sorry.
Gym recycle.
Oh yep. Okay. So I've done that. Yo. Let's say to add some more locations for where this guy can spawn that you give the salvage parts to. Because currently there's only one location.
Wait, so is that in main or not?
Yeah, there's just one location in yours as well.
Okay.
Because the videos that I watched of people doing this, I only saw one location. I assume there's more than one location.
No, I think that is right.
Oh really? There's only one location.
Yeah.
I might have said like similar area, but just a few different locations, just to mix it up a little. Or similar distances.
The way me and my friends used to do it we would have like one of us like take the van and like we'd like swap over and be like, okay, now it's your turn, you know. Now it's your turn to like deliver the box. Because like obviously we're all getting rep and we're all getting paid for it and we're all getting parts for it, you know, so who's complaining?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I need to mess around with like the XP and shit. And like, make sure. Yeah, actually, I might get you on my server a little later if you're willing to, and just make sure it all works. I can jump on your server too.
Yeah. What, is your server up?
Not right now, but I have a server that I'll like move everything over to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I finished it, but I don't think I have the get box in this. So after I finished
What's that for?
Oh wait, get delivery package. Fail to get delivery package. That'll probably be your goddamn inventory.
Quite possibly.
Yes. Oh no, yeah. I don't have the item. Okay, that's fine. Which I can just make that item be recycled goods.
Yeah, you could actually.
And then that means if someone wants to like quit the job like too soon and like steal that recycled goods, they can use that for crafting. But then they could also get
do something with it
from trash. And then they could also make more money by selling the recycled goods to that guy who you deliver it to.
It's true. I like it.
But yeah, I am about to head out, my friend.